You spend money on a watermelon that looks perfect on the outside, only to slice it open and find it pale, mushy, tasteless, or even sour. Most people don't know how to pick a ripe watermelon, and supermarkets count on that. So every day, thousands of beautiful-looking watermelons hide a disappointing, flavorless inside. Here is a few simple tricks that guarantee you'll never pick a bad watermelon again. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to choose a perfect, sweet, red, juicy watermelon every single time. Hello, lovely viewer. Welcome to Healthy Horizon. How to pick a perfect, fresh and juicy watermelon. 1. Look for the field spot. The darker, the better. This is the secret most people ignore. The field spot is the creamy patch where the watermelon rested on the ground. Deep yellow or creamy gold equals sweet and ripe. Pale yellow, almost white equals underripe. A dark field spot means the fruit stayed on the vine longer and developed more natural sweetness. 2. Check the webbing, nature's sugar map. Those brown, web-like scars are not imperfections. They are signs of pollination success. The more webbing, the sweeter the watermelon tends to be. If you see lots of webbing, that's a sugar-loaded watermelon. 3. Examine the shape. Uniform is best. Watermelons come in two shapes. Round, usually sweeter. Oval, more watery and less sweet. But most importantly, avoid watermelons with irregular bumps or unusual curves. These may have grown unevenly and might taste bland. 4. Pick the heaviest one for its size. A juicy watermelon is always heavy for its size because it's packed with water and natural sugars. Lift a few watermelons of the same size. The heaviest one is the juiciest. 5. Listen for the hollow sound. Tap or knock gently. A ripe watermelon makes a deep, hollow, drum-like sound. If the sound is dull or flat, the inside may be underripe or overripe. 6. Check the tail or stem. Dry, brown stem ripe. Green stem, picked too early and may taste plain or watery. A watermelon doesn't continue ripening after it's harvested, so this matters a lot. 7. Inspect the rind. A good watermelon should have a matte, not shiny surface. A uniform, deep green color. No soft spots, dents, or cuts. Shiny equals underripe. Soft spots equals starting to rot. 8. Look for the sugar spots. Small black or brown beads or tiny sugar crystals on the surface. That's dried sugar leakage from inside. It means the watermelon is super sweet. 9. Temperature matters. If you're selecting from a store, choose watermelons that are not ice cold. Cold storage sometimes hides spoilage or overripeness. Room temperature ones tend to show their real condition. Deep yellow field spot. Heavy for its size. Hollow sound. Uniform shape. Lots of webbing. Matte finish, not shiny. Dry stem. Sugar spots, optional bonus. Now that you know these secret watermelon picking tricks, you'll never waste money on a bad fruit again. Try them out, and get ready to slice into the sweetest, juiciest watermelon of your life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your next juicy discovery is just one video away.